Hello guys, how you doing? Trade recap. That's the eighth, I think, 8-1. I took a trade like yesterday. Not today, but today I could have took one, but I didn't. Because I missed the entry. It is right there. I'll show you after. But this is the trade that I took here yesterday. Enter at 63 right there. So what I was waiting is because it's yesterday, so I might need to uh, bring back some memories to me, which I took. So I think if I remember the morning, I didn't see nothing at all. So I was waiting for this gap to be filled, and I don't think like in 4 hours there was something. Yeah, there was nothing. So yeah, we had this gap get filled in 1 hour. Yeah, great. And in 15 minutes to come back with a good position, we see, I mean, to have a good position, we should have this come back to imbalance, fill the gap in 1 hour, create a CSD here, and this could have been a trade here, right there. So I missed this, I didn't saw it, and you see this is the CSD, we didn't come back, and this, so yeah, I mean, I don't I didn't miss like it's just not it's not work. That's it. So in 15 minutes, here, what do we got? An imbalance. The price get filled. So yeah, I mean with the 1 hour before that, tell me that this is all bias because if I go into daily, right there, what was I think it was there. We see that we took liquidity here, so we are going to go lower. So I was bearish for the day. And as we can see, we already took liquidity. Here is some liquidity too, so maybe we could see the price go high. Wow, Jesus, good lord. So, yeah, the price then going to our 15 minutes imbalance here, right there. Feel it, goes lower, create a CSD in 5 minutes. Here, as you can see, imbalance 2 created. So that is a good CSD. We broke it, came back to it in 1 minute. And in 1 minute, what do I see? I see this gap get filled here. Or at least, no, it wasn't 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Was 2 minutes, I think. Was a gap in 2 minutes? No, 1 minute. Okay, no, that was 1 minute. So, wait. Oh no, no, that's not the good one. That was today. Which one was it? I think it was this one. This gap here got filled, and then I took it. So with the spread, that put me at 63, but I was like, I think 73 here, I think. Maybe lower, I don't know. 63 right there. So then I took it and it's good, like 270. So we not up on the funded, but almost. And today I could have taken this trade that I didn't because I missed. And that was like 1 hour fill here. You see the price fill this imbalance. Create a lot of liquidity here. We saw this get taken and this after I took it. But as we can see, if we go lower, all this high didn't create a single CSD. Like we came it, that's the higher point. We don't create a CSD right there. I mean, that's just the big the buy I mean the bullish candle here here don't tell me that this is going to go lower, but here we see the price took the liquidity a long all those candles are bearish and create the CSD right there. That was in 15 minutes because this was in 1 hour imbalance, So I prefer to have a 15 minutes confirmation. So this creates a CSD, the price came back to a CSD and also in the imbalance of 15 minutes right there. And as we can see, this is the range that we need to find an internal fair value gap to enter. So 3 minutes there's nothing, and this was in 2 minutes, I think. Yeah. 2 minutes if I no, that was in 1 minute. Alright, 1 minute. And in 1 minute, we see the price here. Create an internal fair value gap, but we could have taken it here too, or here too, because we see that create an internal fair value gap. We took it, and that's good to go. You could have put here, maybe here. I mean, maybe a little higher, like 2, to be safe a little bit. Or you put it in the internal high here to be really safe, and then you aim for this low or this low. Alright, this liquidity and this liquidity. This is liquidity. And you could have took 3.6, and if we go lower, that would be 5. So that's a good trade, but I didn't because I missed the trade, missed the opportunity, and that sucked because I was in the market like in at 2 p.m. I think, and 2 p.m. you already cut down. Like maybe I could have took it here, but like I missed my entry and that's pretty bad. But I could have took it here, but I saw liquidity here, so I wasn't confident. I think that the price could have came back, and that's what he did. Came back to it. Took liquidity, those three high. He didn't took this because we react to an imbalance, so maybe that's why we interact to an imbalance. So yeah, I don't know. But took liquidity, drop down. Maybe could have taken it here because we internal favorite gap here created. After what? And maybe put it there and now aim for profit right there. I could have done that, but I did not. But it's okay. So we have more opportunities with this strategy, and I'm really happy to have a lot of to have a lot of opportunities to trade. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, and see you tomorrow. I hope, or the next day that I took a trade. So yeah, bye bye.